Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a cozy fall morning routine. Just a little glimpse of how I start my day and how I keep everything flowing smoothly before heading out. So today we're dropping my son off at daycare and we also have a yoga class that I'll be taking you guys with me. So the first thing I do is run to the bathroom, freshen up, and then head straight to the kitchen to start breakfast. My son is a huge fan of water. Honestly, he drinks more water than anyone I know. So that's why I'm so happy we recently got our iSpring water filter installed. A plumber came by to set it up and now the water tastes so fresh and so clean. I feel so good knowing that my son is drinking the best quality water. I wanted to show you guys the filter up close, the iSpring RCC7AK. Seeing the certification mark and the iSpring name gave me the exact confidence in the quality. I got my iSpring system at Costco, which is great because you can find it so easily. The filter is designed with powerful filtration that removes 99% of harmful substances like chlorine, PFAS, and more than 1,000 contaminants, certified to NSF 58 and 372 standards, while adding back healthy minerals for that natural spring water taste. What I really love the most is how easy it was to install. We did have plumbers come, but this is something that you can do yourself. They do have a manual that does come with the filter. Thanks to the US patented tool-free AI G1 design, I don't even have to crawl under the sink. You just tighten the faucet right from the top of the counter. Plus the transparent housing makes it super easy to check when it's time for a replacement. If you're interested in upgrading your water quality, check out the iSpring RCC7AK. I'll leave the link in my bio and the comments. iSpring has been trusted for over 18 years and it's really made a difference in our home. Let's not forget, the iSpring water filter works for everybody. My cats especially love fresh, clean water. And since I'm going to a yoga class, I have to fill up my water bottle. I love icy water, so adding a few ice cubes to my iSpring fresh water just makes it even better. Thank you iSpring for partnering with me, and let's just hop right back into the video. So I'm making my coffee. I'm using this Keurig pod. It's the French vanilla flavor. I love a nice vanilla base. And my new mug, it's from Simon's, and I wanted a really fall-like mug and I couldn't find one that was like not tacky. So I found this one and I thought it was so cute. Anyways, I'm using the Silk Creamer. Onto skincare. You guys have seen these products before, but I am using the Vicente Glow Booster as well as the Dr. Idris Vitamin C Moisturizer Gel, the Major Fades. You guys, Dr. Idris, 10 out of 10. You guys will not be disappointed with their products. And I'm using the Tula Skincare SPF. Unfortunately, this is not available in Canada, but if you're from the US, you're gonna love this moisturizer. I'm also using the Peach and Lily eye cream. It's my favorite eye cream at the moment, and I'm using the Huda Beauty lip oil. I think this one's like the watermelon flavor. Onto outfit, I'm picking out a nice brown yoga set from TLF. Love this set. And I'm pulling out also my fragrances, some leg warmers, and my yoga Pilates socks. Good morning, you guys. Attila is eating and enjoying his food. You guys saw like the first half of like my morning routine. Really, and a major thank you to iSpring for sponsoring today's video. I'm about to get changed. I pulled out my outfit. I'm wearing the cutest pair of pajamas from, I keep saying Abercrombie and Finch, but like we don't have that here. Oh, good morning. Oh my god, you guys don't understand how much I love my cats. I love them so much. Good morning, say good morning everybody. Look how big he is. Okay, that's besides the point. I get sidetracked by them all the time. So Attila's eating and I'm about to get ready. I have yoga after dropping him off at daycare, which is really exciting. It's actually an event with Iris and Arlo, or Arlo and Iris. It's a feminine hygiene company. Anyways, I wanted to talk to you guys about my PJs. I'm wearing this cute pair of PJs from American Eagle. And I keep saying Abercrombie and Finch, but we don't have that here in Montreal. I'm just gonna say Montreal because the way that the minute you cross the Quebec border, we're on another planet, and suddenly In and Out, Chipotle, all of that, we don't have that. okay, here in Quebec. So I'm wearing the cutest PJs from American Eagle. They're so cute and they're like the cutest fall. I'm really like in my fall bag right now. And with my outfit too, I'm wearing this set. I've worn it to the gym once, but it's not comfortable for weightlifting. It's more so comfortable for like yoga and Pilates. It's from TLF and I chose brown, of course, because it's like a fall vlog. And I'm wearing, it's not that cold. You know what's crazy? The leaves are seasoning the ground, it's falling, but it's like 25 degrees Celsius outside. So I want to get fall, but like obviously I don't want to like sweat. So I'm wearing this like little wraparound thing on top, and I have some yoga socks, Pilates socks, whatever, grip socks. And because I don't like the way they look like on my ankles, I'm gonna be wearing leg warmers. I got these from the dollar store. So if you're from Canada, check out your local Dollarama. These cute little leg warmers, so nice. And I also got them in gray. I haven't opened them yet, but I really like them. So it's giving really fall vibes with that. My fragrances today are Pumpkin Cream by Le Monde Gourmand. I pull this out every fall. Yummy. It's nice and sweet. I also have the Skylar Clean Beauty Fall Cashmere, but this is very like, it smells like fresh leaves, so it's not everybody's cup of tea. I really like sweet scents, so I'm gonna go with this. And I'm also gonna top it off with my favorite baby girl. I have a friends and family coupon from Sephora, so I'm gonna pick up another one of these. I also lit my fall candle. And what else? Nothing extreme besides that, because that is not only my workout of the day. I'm not going to the gym to like, you know, lift weights. I'm not going to the gym to lift weights, but I am working out. So and it's an event, so it's basically both of my daily things that I do. And I have to film. I have a collab with for Instagram, and I have to film like the end result of that collab today. So there's that. Also from the dollar store, the little headband you guys saw, that's where I got it. It was like $1.75 or something. Cute. Anyways, let me get changed. Cute little brown moment. You guys, I pulled out my Uggs and I'm so happy. I really want to take a few of them to the dry cleaners or like the shoe cleaner or whatever. I'm missing a couple pairs, like my like winter ones, my Adirondack. But yeah, I pulled out my like fall staples. I have a little less space than the old apartment. Obviously I had a full bedroom with my stuff in it, so I have to put some stuff away in my storage unit that I rent out. I have to go get more fall shoes, but right now my rotation is like really like runners. I am a runner girl. I don't really wear these unless it's for like content or a specific event like I used to. I don't know, I'm a big runner girly now. So I'm gonna get Attila ready and fix my face, and then we're gonna head out. I want to finish off this portion of the video talking to you guys about these. I got these in the mail yesterday. I got 3, but I only opened 2, and then the other one, the color is really pretty, but like I don't need this many lip, like I have a full drawer of lip product. I don't need that much. So I got in the mail these, what are they called? They're like the Lancome Lip Idol Juicy Treat lip oils, and I got the shade 01, which is like a cute little like clearish pink. And I also got the shade 60, which I love for the fall. This just like screams fall, but it's just the nice, it's like the way I see it, right, is if I was like darker, like my skin tone, if I was a dark skinned girl, this would be the equivalent of this on me. This would look like a clear, right? On me it's like a pinkish rose, so but on a dark skinned girl this would be like clear. If you want like a pinkish rose, like a tint but like almost clear, this shade, it's so good, like a fall moment. But like, look how pretty this shade is. I love, you know what I don't like about this setup, this lighting or whatever, is that I look like pale as fuck. Like I look pale and I like looking darker and my tan is fading. I'm about to look like a sugar cookie soon. But yeah, look how cute this is. I had to put my rollers back in because my curls were falling already. I took them out because I don't like washing my face with it, but I put them back in quickly. It takes me like 3 minutes to put these back in. Anyways, I have stuff to film for the other, I have other content to film for another brand, so I'm gonna do that and then dress that little man. He's currently watching Bluey. Mornings and nighttime is like calming stuff, like Bluey. Like Blippi used to be calming, but like it's not. Bluey, or like he really likes K-pop Demon Hunters right now, so I let him watch it and like during breakfast and stuff. So that's what he's doing, and we're gonna get him dressed and we're gonna skedaddle to daycare. All right, so here's a cute little outfit check. I love neutral tones. As much as I'm a colorful person during the summer, neutral tones during the fall really have my heart. And UPS came by and dropped off a package and I had time to open it. Amazing package from Huda Beauty. It's the Easy Bake Duos. There's the cherry peach, and I also got the pumpkin one as well, so thank you so much, Huda Beauty. Now onto the event. The event was so much fun, guys. This is a feminine hygiene brand, so they do like pads and tampons and reusable underwear that are made with like organic materials. And we had an amazing yoga class that was really focused on your pelvic area, to relax your uterus and stuff like that. It was really fun and educational, and they offered us some matchas which were super yummy. Usually I'm really picky with my handmade matchas, but this one was really good. I also had we also had like an hour to sit down and talk about our cycles, and we had a nurse there talking about it. It was so much fun. You know, as a mom, my cycle is also different than some women that don't have children. And I also, you know, was participating in the conversation. I was saying how like there are some things that happen with our uterus as Black women that is different from people from other ethnicities. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cozy fall morning routine. Thank you so much to iSpring for sponsoring this video once again, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye. So you can't sleep, baby, I know that means just so